don't need to come in. I can just hang out here, you know?
Alex don't want to pay the 60 bucks to get in.
Is it only real? So this is the first set of Furies, 395, 30, 28.
How you feeling? You good?
Is this your new truck?
Nah, I need to be.
What up, bro? You doing all right? You doing all right? The look. It's the yell for me. Can I get oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Today's a special day because I'm actually driving to a show today. I'm not flying. I'm not Mr. Bougie, Mr. Hollywood, as you guys like to talk shit in the comments sometimes. We're going to Tacos Y Trokas just outside of Valdosta today. We're taking the old bow tie with the red bottoms on it, and I'm super excited. Bunch of good collabs coming today, so make sure you guys grab a seat, get a snack. Let's get this bread, baby. So I pulled up down the road from the show, and the way that they've got the show set up, hold on, look. Big truck. The way they got the show set up is you could literally pull off on the side of the road behind where the vendors are set up, and I could like hang out with Josh at the KG1 booth without having to pull into the show through the fence. And I'm kind of thinking about it, to be honest with you. I'm gonna do it. Watch. Look. Pepino! Yo! Oh, he don't hear me.
What do you want? I'll get him.
What's up, bro?
First of all, I've never even met you in person, but my name's
Alex.
Kevin. I see you.
Nice.
I'll be watching all your shit on
Nice
YouTube.
to meet you. I appreciate you.
And I saw the break angle for everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gonna be on?
So some love. Truck looks sick in person, by the way.
I was riding down and I'm like, damn, because I'm coming to see the guys at KG1, and I'm like, I can just pull up next to the show and I don't even need to go in. I can just hang out right here.
Which one you want? I got
Bro, I don't need to come inside. What are you doing? Hey, nice to meet you, bro. I'm gonna come in a little bit, all right? Look, I don't even need to come into the show. What are you doing? I can get beers through the...
It's how I looked at. I used to hang out with my dad back in the day.
I don't need to come in. I can just hang out here, you know? With the boy.
Alex don't want to pay the 60 bucks to get in.
Is it only 60?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be like $100 or something.
It's like 170 if you like want to park your truck in here. And
Absolutely not. It ain't worth all that.
Yeah, it is. Come on.
I just want to come say, hey, that's
man,
it.
Nice cap.
I'm leaving. I'm going home. That's it. Just wanted to. I'm not gonna be that guy. I'm gonna go inside. But shout out to Mr. Blowing Money and Josh from KG1 and my buddy over here at Elite. See, this is where those of you that are fans of the channel get to see the character of Alex, because I definitely could have just parked on the side of the road, hopped the fence, not paid, hung out with the boys for a little bit. Los Chikos was right there next to him. But you know, I'm making them half a mile fucking walk down here to pay to go into the show. So don't ever question the character of Alex, even though I definitely thought about it. I need y'all to blow this video up because I just paid $75 to get into this goddamn show. That's all I'm gonna say. What are we looking at here? Tell me what we're looking at here.
Looking at a 395 series, only 4 tires right now.
395 for a 28. We don't.
BMT2.
We don't need 4 or 5s over here. We need 395s.
That's all we need. 395.
I have to ask you a very serious question.
What's up?
What's it like to have center caps?
Oh man, it's nice. Hell, hold on. Yours are invisible. Bluetooth? Ours still spin that.
It's a good feeling. I bet it's a good feeling. So this is the first set of Furies 395, 30, 28. So instead of having to do a 38, 16, 38, 15, 38, 15, 50, 28, you could do the 395, 30, 28, which is like what, a 37?
37.2 by 15.7.
15, so 15 and a half, so 37, 15, 50 versus the 38, 15, 50. It'll squeeze onto a, you know, a little bit of a smaller lift a little bit better. And then you got the beautiful, what is this, the Stella? Is that what this is? What wheel this is?
Scuffle.
The Scuffle. Sorry, I have my S's mixed up. Beautiful KG1 Scuffle 2816 with the new 395. Absolutely beautiful. The first set in the world, and I'm honored, absolutely honored to be able to get to share this moment with you.
Oh, yeah.
And pay $75 to get in.
Yes, absolutely, 75.
Okay. That's all right. No, don't shit on me that hard. Damn. Look at the sparkle though. Look at the sparkle though. What up, bro? You doing all right? You doing all right? Is this your new truck?
Nah, I need to be. I need to be my next driver truck. I need to sell it to me.
Put your little hood stack on that motherfucker and ride, buddy. Exactly. You look good in a level truck, though. I done you caught 4K. I'm backing in this. Oh, shit. Excuse me, sir. My bad. Yes, sir.
I swear your boy sweating out here.
Scale of 1 to 10, how hot is it?
Like an 11, dog. I'm hot.
Like 11?
Yeah.
Mel, how you feeling? How hot is it?
It's alright. It's like shit.
It ain't that bad?
Boy, you about to get ran over.
Oh, it's hot.
I don't even drink, and I've been bumping into people's truck and getting run over. And
I've been drinking. I ain't running into
the whole squad over here. Oh, no.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I was talking mad shit about bags. But everything I said about bags, I'll take it back, bro. This shit cool. It's cool. This shit cool.
Sure, bro. Sure.
We can't do that.
Picking up food right there, bro.
Security? Security?
I think so. He asked us why we had it right in the middle. We said we ran out of gas.
Tell me what homeboy in the Summit hat's about to do. Absolutely nothing.
Hey, you got gas, bro?
Dolph ran out of gas.
What's up, baby? My brother. Oh, you superstars together? What's up,
Oh, they got the dually up there. That's dope. And that motherfucker's big. Look at that bitch.
Are you guys ready? Hell yeah, I like that shit. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3.
You trying to get your hair cut or what? You got a barbershop out here. Trying to get lined up at the shop. Sauce up a couple cool steak tacos there.
Don't call him on Monday. Call him on Tuesday. He can be in the bathroom all day Monday.
Little lime action. What are these? Which one's not spicy? No caliente. This one?
Yeah.
Can you?
Little bit, yeah.
One with the green sauce. I'm trusting you, alright? I'm trusting you.
I think for me. I don't know for you.
Set me up for failure. I think I owe you some money too. How much for the tacos?
Three tacos?
Yeah. It was a bad idea. You're amazing. Thank you.
Which one is spicy?
It smells kind of spicy, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think she set me up for failure. I gotta squeeze some lime on there. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Did I get you?
No, you good. You good.
Here we go. You ready? Little street tacos. Take us out of taco at the Tacos Y. You come to Tacos Y Trokas, you gotta get some tacos, right? I just realized that. They're fire. They're fire. Definitely a little spicy though. See this skin right here? I'm not made for spice.
This is very white skin.
I'm not made for spice, bro. Beautiful.
That's why I got the hot dog. It's not spicy.
There ain't nothing whiter than eating a hot dog.
At a Mexican.
At a Mexican. Jesus. I'm gonna cut it on that one. Goddamn.
Hispanic event.
How big are the quesadillas?
Yeah, lined up. That's dope. I gotta show love to my guys over at Los Chikos. They've been riding with me since day one. They just started their giveaway for this truck, so make sure you guys, I'm gonna try and remember to put the link for their giveaway. Y'all go show some love to the giveaway in the comments below, in the description below. What you think? You gonna get a lower truck now?
Hey, I think I'm gonna give me a lower truck, man. I think I'm gonna make it OBS though.
Y'all want to see cruising with Mel, say Mel, and a lowered OBS?
I think I'm gonna
Change the fucking game out here on them?
Right, for real.
Out there swinging in that motherfucker?
Hey,
I'd be too scared. I'm gonna let him do it because I'd be too scared. It's cool to see this like out in public because it looks so out of place in public. It's funny that y'all can come to a show like this and see, like I parked in the parking lot because I didn't want to, me and Mel didn't want to pay $180 to bring our fucking trucks in. Really. I'm putting it on blast, I don't care, because I talked about how much it was when we got here. 75 bucks to go in and $180 to park in the show is wild to me. That's wild to me. So
I went from the pay way.
Humble enough that I don't need to bring my truck in. But so I left work at 12 o'clock, came to the show. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm riding back. Mel drove up from Pensacola, came to the show for a couple hours. He's riding back. He's gonna stop by Panama City tonight. Yeah, so if y'all see this video, make sure you guys go check out Mel's vlog from the day. He's got 2 stops all the way to Valdosta, Tifton area, and then back through Panama City. So he's gonna be on the grind today. So safe travels to you.
Oh yeah, bro. Safe travels.
All love. I got something else for him at the shop. So
safe travels,
whenever Mel's ready, I got something else for him at the shop. He needs to come see me. So
y'all pick up the safety tag.
Yeah, y'all watching this, y'all need to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned.